Hello everyone, welcome today on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, October the 2nd, 2023. Not so good news because we have only two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the Medium Sudoku. No extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do is we have left some puzzles in the weekend edition. The weekend edition, we have two puzzles in the puzzle page. Yeah, let me show you the puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, September the 30th. Two puzzles. The binary and the 3-star Sudoku, but also in the additional of Sunday, 3 puzzles left, the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. In the evening I will solve those puzzles, but first let me start with these two regular puzzles, and the first one is the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7196. Yeah, before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Which number can I pick? How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 and a 5 are missing here. Okay. Then 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 7 there. Need an 8 here. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. Okay. We have here 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 in the middle row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. No, we have a 7. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this column. Oh wait, we have a 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 2. Alright. 4, 4. Need 8 here. So we need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 1, 1, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers, and 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this big square, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 now in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in, 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5. 3, 3, 3. And now. 1, 1, 1. 9, 9. Need a 7 here. 2 and 6. No, 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Okay. 5 and 8. And a 7 here. Need a 5 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, third row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the middle column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. 5, 5. Okay, we have here 4 missing numbers. Oh, wait. Need to wait here. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, sorry, in this column, so no 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes, and there, 2, 2. Need a 5 here, need a 3 here, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and the 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. 7. Alright, and now need a 4 here. 7, need a 6. 6. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. And I need a... Yeah, I need a 2... Come on. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. On there, we see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, okay. 1, need a 2 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then 3, need a 5, and I need a 3, 5, and a 2. 2, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2, 3, 5. 2 and 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. Second column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in this row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. Yes, 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this row, last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, 12 minutes finished, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.